If you're looking for some decluttering and organizing inspiration for the new year, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I am going to be talking about decluttering and organizing. And I am going to call this my weekly Just Do It challenge, the DO standing for decluttering and organizing. I know that for myself, during the holiday times, things were a bit hectic and they got disorganized, and also things come into the house, and I have a rule that when things come into the house, an equal amount needs to go out, and I haven't been good about doing that. So now that the rush of the holiday season is over, I thought I would host what I'm calling the weekly Just Do It challenge, and it is for you to get inspired and for me to get inspired and be held accountable to do some decluttering and organizing every week. Now, I want to break it down into little chunks. So I don't want to say like declutter and organize your whole kitchen. So maybe one day I might say declutter and organize your utensil drawer, or declutter and organize under your sink. So that type of task. That way you're doing one type of task a week, but by the end of the year, hopefully you will have a little bit more decluttered and organized home than you do now. And hopefully I will as well. This isn't all about you. This is about me in particular. So what I thought I would do is I'm going to have this first announcement as a video, but then from this point forward, I think I'm going to put the weekly area that I'm going to focus on my community tab. And I'll do that on Sundays. And that way you can follow along. Hopefully I'm hoping to do this so that everybody will follow along in the same space. But if you don't have a particular space, let's say it's laundry room that day and you don't have a laundry room. If you have laundry supplies, then maybe you can do that. Or if it's like your entryway where most people come in and out and you don't have a mudroom or you don't have a particular entryway, maybe just the area where people come in the door and tend to drop things, the drop zone, that type of thing, so that we're all sort of doing the same thing on the same week. Now, if you don't have a particular area that is exactly the same and there's a different area that you still need to declutter, of course, go ahead and do that. Just say that you're doing that in your video. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create what I'll call the weekly Just Do It playlist, and I'll put a hashtag in the box down below and a link once I get it all set up, so that you can just add your videos to that. I'm not going to set up a separate playlist for each week. And I don't expect everyone will want to participate in every week. I'm going to try to do that, but I may not actually post a video every week. I may just post something to my community tab saying I did do the decluttering that I had set out to do that week. I will try to post a video every week, however, just to give you some motivation and inspiration. So, what do you think of this idea? Let me know in the comments down below if you're looking for some decluttering and organizing inspiration, and if you think you might try to join in, at least periodically, in my challenge. And if you like cleaning and decluttering and organizing motivational videos, why don't you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you do like that sort of thing, and it also lets YouTube know that you liked what I put out to you. It really helps my channel out a lot. And if you are new to my channel, as I mentioned in the intro, I do try to post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you consider subscribing? It's free, and you can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. I hope all of you will consider joining in, and if you don't even have a YouTube channel but you want to play along, you can always do so by leaving me a comment on one of my videos or comments on the other participants' videos, and that way we know that you're playing along with us. You can even send me some pictures, and if I get enough pictures of decluttered spaces, maybe I can put together a subscriber video where it shows how my subscribers who aren't YouTube creators have cleaned out, organized, and decluttered their spaces. So, with that all being said, let's just do it, everyone. Let's get decluttered and organized for 2020. Bye-bye.